First, let's go over how to set up the environment. To integrate Epson Edge Print with a Suma Cutter, you'll need Epson Edge Print version 6.2 or later and the Suma GoSign Pro Pack. Install Epson Edge Print on the PC connected to your printer. Then, install Suma GoSign and activate the Pro Pack on the PC connected to your cutter. These can be set up on the same PC or on different PCs. For this demonstration, we'll be installing them on the same PC. First, create a folder for transferring cut path files between Epson Edge Print and GoSign. Ensure this folder is accessible from both the PC where Epson Edge Print is installed and the PC where GoSign is installed. For this explanation, the folder is created on the PC where the software is installed. Next, start Epson Edge Print. To use this function, you must log in to Epson Cloud Solution Port. If you are not logged in, click the Login button to log in. Now, let's configure the cutting machine link settings. Open the Preferences from the Tools menu and display the RIP server in the table dialog. Ensure that Save Cut Path as File is checked in the Cut Path section. Then, click the Cut Path Settings button and set the name of the spot color used to draw the cut path on the data. The default is Cut Contour, but if your data uses a different name for the cut path, add that spot color name. Finally, set the Save Destination for the cut path file. Click the Browse button and specify the Save Destination folder for the cut path created in the previous step. This completes the settings for Epson Edge Print. Launch GoSign. Click the plus button to create a new action. Select the Import Job action added to the action list to display action properties. In Action Properties, set the following: Import Mode to Barcode, Barcode Reader to OPAUSE, Import Directory to the destination folder for the cut path created in the previous process, Separate Layer to By Color. Next, click the plus button at the bottom of the Import Job action to add an action. Set the added action to Rotate 90 degree and add 2 more Rotate 90 degree actions. Then, add a Search Reg Marks action. In Action Properties, enable all layers and set Reg Mark placement to OPAUSE. Add an Output Job action and finally, add a Go To action. Give the action set you created a name and click the OK button to add the action set to the list. This completes the GoSign setup. Next, we will explain how to prepare print data. We'll introduce a method using Adobe Illustrator. In Illustrator, draw a cut line in the print data using the spot color name Cut Contour. By using this spot color name, Epson Edge Print will recognize the line as a cut line. Export the data created in Illustrator as a PDF file. Next, let's explain the printing process. Add the PDF file containing the cut path to Epson Edge Print. In the job settings, set the mark type to OPAUSE Mark and the barcode settings for cutting to OPAUSE Barcode. Once you have completed the other print settings, proceed with printing. After printing is complete, the cut path data will be transferred to GoSign. Finally, let's explain the cutting. After loading the printed media into the cutter, launch GoSign and execute the actions that you created earlier. The cutter will then use the barcode to identify the appropriate cut path data and proceed with cutting.